Welcome to Tampere, Finland. Here is the camera rescue center. We have expensive stuff, cheap stuff, weird stuff, popular stuff. Most of them are lenses, so feel free to have a look around and use anything that you want and see what it can do.
Because the lens gets a lot of light in, it's prone to massive flaring.
Like an angel yellow.
I'm an angel, so...
But once you avoid direct sunlight, it's getting way more interesting.
And when I say top, you open your eyes. And top.
Wide open, the subject separation is amazing.
Perfect.
On a close focus portrait, even if the image is soft, face details are sharp.
Top.
And the background transforms into an abstract painting. The soft ray of sunshine coming from behind the model gave this shot a dreamy feeling. Well, it's a dream lens after all.
Yeah, it works.
By moving further away from the model, you get a really nice 3D pop. But what happens when you want to shoot some portraits near something bigger? In this scene, we have three different points of focus: the car, the girl, and the background. And wide open, getting the exact focus on the girl's face is really hard. And if you have the really strong chromatic aberrations, it's even worse.
This is mine.
Manually focusing at f0.95 is definitely something for the manual focus masters. Once I closed the aperture to f2, things were way easier. The Dream Lens is a fantastic tool to get this magical subject separation. But it gets quickly limited if you use it wide open for anything else than portraits.